Hi and welcome to another tutorial here by Frantonio. Today I'm just going to show you the intro of a new project I'm making. This is a full website project. It's about a photography website. This is the intro, like I said. When I say by fully website project, I mean fully website. Not like many people say fully website and they only show you the home page and then that's it. I will show you all the pages in this project, and so it's going to be several parts on it. I think we are going to start off first with the home page or with the index page, and as part one. And if we can make it pretty, if I can make it pretty fast, then I will be making also the CSS file. But anyway, that depends now on how we are going to proceed with this project. Like I said, this page, this fully website has 10 pages, and each page is a little bit individual. A part of the header and the footer, which are always the same, but the content in between is different. Anyway, so let me open this site for you. So and let's go through what we're going to do today. So I opened the site here in Google Chrome, and this is the home page, as you can see up here in the link. Yeah, and anyway, the name I gave is John Doe. A little bit about me. A picture of the author, and what the services it gives: photography, fashion, and graphic design. And then down there we have some of my work, and these are going to be later on the gallery also. I'll be showing you also how to make these nice effects under these images here, or this box. Practically what it is a box. Inside is the image, and then under the box we make these shadows. Yeah. So then after that we have our footer. Yeah. With all the info, addresses, with social links, and so on. A little bit of history comes in here. The copyright and privacy policy in terms of services, which I didn't do in this tutorial because this is just mainly text. So, and everyone has to put his own privacy policy in terms of services in there. So now let's go up onto the service side. You see a nice, we also got nice hover effects here on the link down here in the footer. Same here on the icons, on the social icons. So let's get into our services. So that is the service side. What we have in here three cards. Yeah, three accordions. One accordion with three cards in it, and on the hover, he enlarges it. That is what we done in the CSS. We're going to show you later. So in photography example, you describe what it is: professional photography, a little bit of text, and just and I'll just show one image. So let me go down to the next one. As you can see, as I open the next one, the first one, or the one on top, it closes down, and so on. So that is what is about the services. And I mean, that's pretty easy. It's not much really to do in here. So now let's go to our gallery. And you see up here before, when I was on the home page, the home page here is different color. So that means it's active. Then here the services is now active where we were. And now let's jump to the gallery. The gallery. Okay, now we are in the gallery. So in the gallery is also just the full width changed into three columns, which I use MD4 for this in the CSS. And you can also see these HR lines. You know, we define them also, make them look a little bit more slicker than the usual, just boring one stripe of ruler. So, and anyway, so in this gallery site here, that is where we're going to then connect to see all the reminder of the images. So if you can see here, each of these have a link in there. The images have a link, and they will be taking us then to the different pages. So let's go over it. Let's go example here in California. So he opens a new page, but we're still in the gallery here. Yeah. So, and this one here is made this one here is when you hover over the when you click on the images, yeah, they open up, and you can check them out one by one. It tells you how many images are in there. There's 19 images in here, and you just scroll them or close them and open whichever you like and continue. So to go back now to the gallery here, just I put a link in here. Return to main gallery. Go back to the main gallery, and then you can go see the other galleries. Let me open here Japan. You know, a small description what it is, you know, and all the images, and the same procedure. You know, you click on it, and they open up, and you can scroll through them, you know, one by one, and then go back to the main gallery. And at last, what we have then here, we have our contact. So we're going to make this one here. We're going to make a contact form. You know, we have to put in your name. If I press example submit now, please fill out this field. So look, okay, let's do it. From Antonio. Okay, next. Let me submit, and now it says please fill out this field. Now this field here is very important, because let's take example, just I put someone mail, yeah, example now, and I want to submit it. It tells me, hey, that is not the email. The at is missing. You know, you have to put an at in there. So let's do like that. Let's put an at in there. At the at sign. Oops, why is it not making it? Someone at some.com. Doesn't matter now. So, and that has been done. Those two fields are optional. Phone number, your website. You don't need to put them in. You can put them in, and then here you have to type a message. Let's put hello, and let's do a submit. And you will see it goes on. It gives me an error now on a page. The page is not working. That is because you know, it doesn't really. In the submit button, we need to put in also, you know, where it needs to submit it, and that is not in there because, you know, otherwise just going to send it all to me. But that is something which you can put in afterwards once we get to the contact form. And like I said, so that would be the whole intro to this page. So I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward doing this tutorial here. Like I said, it's going to be several parts, and as I said, you know, this is for beginners. So please don't, I'm not a professional developer or something like that, but I enjoy doing what I'm doing, and I'm not going to charge you. And like I said already, also in my intro, if you come new to my site, please subscribe, leave me comments. It's important for me also to know what you think, what what are the things which I maybe have to improve, the things where I'm too slow or whatsoever. I mean, you gotta help me out also here. I mean, I'm helping you. I give you all these projects. These projects are all free of charge. And like I said, also the first 100 subscriber and those 100 which give me a comment on my site, I will email them the full project. The only thing I cannot include are the images. But I'm going to tell you also the sizes of the images. We're going to discuss that in the video, or maybe I post them more or less what sizes of images I use. So, but then you have to find your own images, because also for copyright infringement, I don't want that, you start using these pictures and then I'm going to have problems. I'm using them for personal use only, because it's personal use for me. So that's also the reason why I cannot give you those images. But all the rest of the coding, HTML, CSS, and whatever, the structure of the folder and so on, it'll be all included in that zip file, which or raw file, which I'm going to send you then once you subscribe and submit and you leave me your email address. So thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to start this new project with you. Like I said, it's going to be many pages, so it's going to be several parts, and I see now if I can maybe start decide as soon as possible. Okay, thank you very much again for listening. I hope you can enjoy it, and please subscribe, and comment. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.